Do you know about the most powerful asset in the world? What did you say? Oil? No, it is big data. It's back to school time. Here's a fun way to introduce your students to the #1 curriculum: big data. Big data empowers oil. Big data has given machines and computers the ability to see, interact, understand, speak, and listen. Big data is in every industry. Here are a few examples: education, transportation, retail, medical, insurance, sports, agriculture, manufacturing, banking, media, entertainment, and much more. Big data analytics is considered the most wanted expertise by 75% of Internet of Things providers. Over 68% of them are struggling to find employees with relevant expertise. Big data is an easy career for students to start. Some call big data the new oil, some say big data is the new gold. Our new product, Big Data in STEM Classroom, is a fun way of introducing big data to our youth. It's a data collection game, sort of like true or false games. Youth will instantly gain knowledge of big data, social media tools. They can use Google and Instagram ads to grow a business, data for entrepreneurship. The average base pay for big data is more than $120,000 per year. Some outstanding strategies are waiting for you, so you can achieve the milestone. Join hands with us and get the incredible benefits. Big data is in every industry and transforming them. We support our customers at every step. Don't lose the opportunity. Buy now.